Right, just a quick one to talk about an EcoFlow Alternator Charger that we fitted into this T5.1 to make it easier to go away and go camping and things, but without being plugged into mains and stuff like that. So let's have a quick look at it, shall we? So this customer already had this EcoFlow. This is a Delta 2, I believe. And basically what it is a portable power bank, essentially, just a massive one that you can run loads of stuff off. So obviously you would, in its state currently, you charge it at home through your normal mains plug with the adapter that it needs. You charge it up and then you would take it away with you, and you can then run various devices on it, off it, charge devices off it through the USBs and things, or it also has an inverter in it, so you can then run mains items off it, like a kettle or something like that. So that means that if you went to, say, a festival, and you didn't have a hookup, so you could use your normal leisure system, you can then use this to power things. However, because obviously you've charged it at home and then you've taken it away with you, you've only got a limited amount of power in this. Now it's going to be a lot, but obviously, you know, if it was a bit colder and you want a few more cups of tea or whatever it is you're doing, then you're going to be starting to rinse this pretty quickly. So that's where the alternator charger comes in that we've fitted today. And that is run from the van battery, so it's obviously being charged straight from the alternator. Power cables then run all the way through the van, and then I've had to run it in and around the main leisure system that's under the seat of the this van, because this is a California, so it's got all the factory fitted leisure system, and then out to the device that you can see mounted on the end of the cupboard. And then what that does is when the engine is running, obviously, that's then supplying a consistent charge to this and keeping this running. So if you then were at a festival and you were using this and you could see, we're starting to run out of charge, start your van up, get it running, and that will then start boosting power through to this and not only charge it, but allow you to use it at the same time. So we'll poke this on the floor, we'll plug it in, and then I'll talk to you briefly about the charger itself. So as you can see with the alternator charger here, it's mounted onto the end of the cupboard, just using its bracket that it comes with. It's supplied in the kit with these Allen bolts as well, so it all comes with it. And then the various cables, I think you possibly select them, or it comes with the kit because it's you select the charge, the battery pack you've got or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. Like I say, it's all custom supplied stuff. They just wanted us to fit it because we've worked on their van before. So bolted nice and solidly here, it's not going anywhere. Some of the plug sections down here are quite bulky, but they're out of the way and everything, and they're not going to move. So then what happens is we've got one plug just here that's coming into the bottom of the charger, that's coming from the battery, and then this second one here is the one that's going out to this plug that then plugs into the power bank itself. So that's in there. and then I've just routed the cable so it's neat and tidy, because these customers would like this to be sat just between their seats. So when we then put that in there, everything's tucked away, everything's where they want it. It's still accessible if they need to get to it. It looks like it has some sort of kind of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection to it, and then there's another port at the end for that has like a Cat 5 plug in it, which I would have thought is something to do with being able to have like a little monitor somewhere so you can monitor it and see what's going on with it. But that's about it really, just a very quick one to talk about this. This is the box here, an EcoFlow Alternator Charger. Like I say, customer supplied, but it seems like quite a smart bit of kit. And obviously these EcoFlow Deltas seem like a pretty cool idea as well for going camping. Yeah, I reckon it all works pretty well. So yeah, there you go, all in, all done. Just a quick one. If you've got any more information, I guess you can go and check it all out and everything. And if you'd like us to fit it, get in contact, give us a shout, and we can go from there. In the meantime, keep watching all the videos, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.